Hi guys, I'm eating lunch at Houston. Here it is, Houston. Here they specialize in like everything chicken, from chicken rice, chicken noodle soup, pho chicken. Like I'm telling you, like everything chicken here. My food is out. I order a clear noodles. It's called Nguyen, clear noodles with chicken soup. And I'm at lunch with my daddy. He ordered a chicken rice. It comes with fish sauce, ginger fish sauce for dipping, and a side of bean sprouts and vegetable. Okay, I'm gonna dress it up. A little pepper. Oh, look at this chicken rice. Taste soup first. But it's real flavorful and light. This is chicken, but I always add more fish sauce. I like my stuff well seasoned. Fish sauce, and they have fresh chili, ground chili. It's fresh. I'm gonna add a spoonful of that, and I like my stuff spicy. Also some pickle jalapeno. Also add that in. Okay, squeezing lime. Some vegetable. Okay, let's take a close look of my bowl with some bamboo. There you go, some chicken, white meat, and also dark meat with skin on. Now let's eat. Noodles are real chewy. I love it chewy. It's like the clear noodles. Some chicken, dipping sauce. This is ginger fish sauce. So good. I love clear noodles. Soup, very light. Light but flavorful. Chicken. A better way to make the soup tastier, put some of the ginger fish sauce into the soup. Oh yeah. Have you guys ever had this? It's real simple, but it's really good. This place, they specialize in everything chicken. From chicken pho, chicken egg noodles, clear noodles, rice. Like they do everything chicken. Like chicken salad. Oh yeah, yeah, they do that too. Yeah, if you guys ever want to go try pho, yeah, this is a good place for pho, yeah. They give you a lot of meat too. There's like one size. There's no small or large. This is one size, but it's huge. Been eating for a while, and my bowl is still full. So much. Give you so much food. See, dip. Lots of ginger. Bamboo chicken and noodles. I'm gonna do a little dip. That's how I like to eat it. It's strange, but it's good. Hell yeah. Chicken here is really good. It's not like super like soft and tender. It still has a little bite, little chew to it. Because this is free range chicken. Wow. Okay, now let's make another dunk. Oh, this is so good. Y'all should try doing what I just did. Dunk it into that sauce. My dad killed his rice plate so fast. Okay, guys, until we eat again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.